Hello guys, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. This is Fola Apparel. Today we are learning how to cut and sew a cape sleeve. The first thing you do is determine the length you want for your cape sleeve. For this I'll use 11 inches. So the length I want now is 11 inches. So now for the breadth, you measure the length multiplied by 2. That is 11 multiplied by 2 will give me 22. So what I need now is 11 by 22. So now you get the midpoint, which is 11 inches. Since you have 22 here, so definitely the midpoint will be 11 inches. You roll out a straight line on it. Then on the straight line, you measure 4 inches like this. Measure 4 inches. Then on both sides, you measure 2 inches. 2 inches. Then connect the line this way. So again, you measure 2 inches down, then you divide what you have here by 2. We have 2 inches from here to here. Divided by 2 will give me 1 inch. So that means I'll mark 1 inch on both sides. Then I'll connect it to this point, the 2 inches point here. I'll connect it. After that, you connect this line to this angle. Do the same on the other side. So this is after drawing the line. The measurement we have there is also 11 inches, as you can see, 11 inches. So on this upper part here, you come down by 1 inch on both sides. Then you curve it with your curve rule. You curve it this way to this. I hope you understand me. So this is all we need for the pattern. Then I'm going to cut it out now. Now you go ahead and cut it out. Now I'll go ahead and cut it on the fabric. This is the fabric that I want to use. I'll go ahead and cut 2 of this. One will be for the lining, while the other one will be for the fabric outside. This part here, can can decide to give it shape like this, and you can still leave it anyhow you want the shape to be. So, but I just want to give it curve like this for my own. Now I'll go ahead and put interface. You can put it on both the lining and the main fabric, but I'll put it just on the main fabric for this. I'm done putting the interface. I'll go ahead now and join this with 1/4 inch and join it like this. I'll do that on the lining as well. On the lining, you will leave like 2 inches space. Just watch the way I'm doing it. Now go ahead and sew this. Do that on the main fabric as well. Sew this with 1/4 inch. This is what we have. As you can see, our cape sleeve is already coming out. So now you go ahead and sew it round. Sew it, sew it round. Before you start sewing, make sure you iron the joining you have here. I'm done joining now. So that little space that you left on the lining, you use that to turn it inside out. Go ahead and give it a good press. And this is the final result, guys. You can see. So you can use your hemming gum to hold this together. So I use my hemming gum to hold it together. If you found this video helpful, please click on the like button. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment. See you guys some other time. Bye.